Hello everyone, welcome to Driving and Diecasts. So starting with the video, today I'm going to show you how to clean a diecast car. This is a Ferrari Daytona, as you can see, and it has been left in the dirt for a long time. The stickers have faded a little bit, plus as you can see it is totally shineless and very dirty. Look at the windscreen, you cannot see anything, and although the doors open, the interior is also very dirty and full of dust. So starting with the video, first of all we will clean the car using a normal dust wiper. So taking out the dust from the top of the body, cleaning it out slowly, and also clean it from the interior as much as you can. Lightly with the duster, clean it as much as you can. Then use a cloth, nice soft lint cloth, to clean the sides. Now this is a very short way to clean your car, make it totally spotless. This is going to take you only 1 to 2 minutes to do this. So first, cleaning out all the main dust residue out of the car. Now use a baby wipe. You get baby wipes, so I've got a baby wipe over here and I'm going to use that. So starting from the bonnet, slightly rubbing. As you can see, it's already cleaning it. The whiteness of the bonnet is coming out, the baby wipe is getting dirty. So as we keep on rubbing the baby wipe, because it has got already moisture in it, so slowly it is cleaning the bonnet. The sticker is also getting nice and clean. Then the windscreen starts shining. Close the doors, then clean this wheel and the side arches, the bottom front area, slowly but steadily with the baby wipe. The baby wipe has got very gentle effect on the car because the soap used in baby wipes are of really good quality to cater to the skin of a baby. So that's why using a baby wipe gives us that mild soap advantage, so that the color of your diecast does not get affected. So as we move across the body of the car, you can see that the overall car is getting cleaned as I rub the baby wipe over the body. Slowly but steadily, the color of the car returns, the shine of the car is returning. This is a Corgi 1970 car. So as you can see, it is very old, almost 50 years old. As you can see, this is a Corgi. Corgi Toys, Ferrari Daytona, made in Britain. Using the baby wipe, clean out the wheels also. Clean out the sides, rub it hard, little hard, to get the dirt off. Rubbing it throughout on the doors, open the doors and put the baby wipe inside to clean from inside. Do not force it too hard or the small bits might come out of the die cast. So be very gentle in your approach. Now using this, I'm going to pull it through. Yes, now clean it through and through from the inside also. So the baby wipe has got the right amount of moisture, the right amount of liquid water in it already, so it cleans and does not get the die cast too wet. So now the car is nicely cleaned up. It is shiny and looks much better than what it was before. Thanks for watching this video. Both the cars are looking nice and shiny now. Thank you very much.